The IAA, the Frankfurt Auto Show, is very important to Daimler. It is the biggest, but in our view also the most important auto show in the world. And of course, it's a home game for us. So here we have a platform where we can show automotive innovation. What does mobility of the future look like? That's what we will be presenting here in Frankfurt.
For us as Mercedes is absolutely clear. We want to offer until 2022 a full electrified product portfolio for our customers. And an excellent example you see here, the A-Class plug-in hybrid, the first in the compacts, offering up to 70 kilometer range. So our customers during the week can mainly drive fully electric.
We have our van, the V-Class, which is successful worldwide. For the first time, fully electric, with a range of up to about 400 kilometers, which is unique. We're the first ones to bring this innovation in this segment.
The GLE, together with its predecessor, the M-Class, sold up to now more than 2 million cars. So it's the strongest SUV within our portfolio. And as we never rest on our laurels, this time we brought the GLE diesel plug-in hybrid with a range up to 100 kilometer full electric drive. And we believe this is a very strong promise to our customers.
The course of Mercedes-Benz cars in R&D basically is a road to sustainability. And the key element of this road to sustainability is the electric drive. A key element as well on this road is digitalization. Digitalization of processes and of the product. Well, the Vision EQS is a very emotional highlight, and it displays our idea of the electric future.
It is a vision of what a luxury sedan, fully emission-free, fully electric, could look like in the future, in a beautiful design loaded with high-tech. Feels almost a little bit like a spaceship, but it's not too far away from series production.